Expansion of an idea: a rolling stone gathers no moss. The proverb "a rolling stone gathers no moss" means that a person who keeps changing jobs, places, or interests does not achieve stability or deep expertise in any field. Success and growth require consistency and dedication. In daily life, a student who frequently changes subjects or study plans struggles to master any topic. A professional who constantly switches jobs may never develop expertise or build a strong career. Even in relationships, a person who lacks commitment may fail to form deep and meaningful bonds. History and real-life examples prove this idea. Sachin Tendulkar dedicated decades to cricket and became a legend, while many talented players faded away due to a lack of focus. Scientists like Isaac Newton and Albert Einstein spent years on their research, leading to groundbreaking discoveries. On the other hand, people who chase quick success without persistence often end up with nothing. This proverb teaches us the value of patience and commitment. Instead of constantly shifting focus, we should stay dedicated to our goals. True success comes to those who put in consistent effort and allow their skills, knowledge, and experiences to grow over time. Thanks for watching.